Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Math Grow Accelerator. I'm so excited for today's video. It's all about that mindset you need to generate massive results. And today, here with us is STANDOUT Global Digital Marketing Expert and Consultant, Mr. Antonio.
So first, sell before you build. This needs to be in your mind every single time. Please, if you're taking notes of this training, take notes of this. This must be your north, really, because this is actually something that is going to be directing all your decisions in every single one of the paths. For instance, I just had a person in this program asking me, I just selected a gym related products. I found that it's pretty cheap on AliExpress, and I was wondering, should I select a company that's gonna give me a lot of orders of this product so I can buy it for a cheaper price because I'm gonna be buying in quantity? Or should I select a company that's gonna be selling me the same products, but for higher price, but of course for a lower quantity? Do you understand what's happening here? Basically, he's trying to buy a product from AliExpress so he can resell this product at higher margins. In a way, it's a mix of the business owner path and the affiliate marketing path, because it's not his own product, but at the same time he's going to be selling as if it were his. Okay, so first knowledge we get from the story is you can actually mix the paths, and you can just take the skills we're going to be teaching you and applying that into your own goals. You don't need, if you don't want to follow the exact step-by-step as an affiliate marketer, as a course creator, etc., etc. You see, this option is an in-between. It's an in-between. He hasn't created a product. He doesn't really have a business so as of yet, but still he's buying a product from AliExpress to resell the product online. Great. Second knowledge, very important. So once again, he asked me, should I buy this product from a company who's gonna give me a better price in larger quantity, or should I buy this product from a company that's gonna give me a higher price but in lower quantity? Very easy answer. None of them, because he didn't pay attention to this class. He didn't pay attention to the sell before you build. He's basically asking me, should I buy inventory? Should I buy a lot of inventory, or should I buy some inventory before I even make a sale? The question is none. You shouldn't be buying inventory. You really shouldn't be buying inventory. First, see if you can sell it. Otherwise, you're going to be spending, I don't know how much, maybe $500 buying inventory, maybe $5,000 buying inventory. And then he gets the product to the market and he doesn't sell. So my answer to him was, you didn't pay attention to this class. Rewatch the class. You shouldn't be making inventory. First, study the products, do the customer research. I will have taught you. When you have finished the customer research, I will show you how to sell this product organically and then how to sell this product through paid ads. If you don't manage to sell this product organically, it's not gonna sell through paid ads. And you shouldn't even be making inventory. If you start selling the products organically, so talking to people basically without paying for ads, then you can think about building inventory. Only then, in very small amounts. So there are very concrete applications to this mindset recap I'm making. He could have lost if he didn't ask me this. And some people, they just do that. They watch the recorded classes, they don't ask me anything, they don't follow the step-by-step, they don't follow the mindset, and then they do these mistakes. He could have lost 5K or $500, but he could have lost a lot of money trying to build inventory for something that maybe wouldn't sell. So yes, sell before you build. See if you can make a sale before you buy anything. And that's very important. We don't want you to be wasting money before you know you're going to be making money when you invest. Otherwise, it's not an investment, it's a gamble. This is a very important mindset. Second, be lean. Fail quick, learn quick. Actually, it's pretty much the same story illustrates that too. In marketing, and that's a very important mindset for you to have, you're gonna have to test a lot of things. Nothing is gonna be perfect. That's why I really advise you to not spend money on tools, spend money on products, spend money on things. All the resources that you need, we are basically gonna be giving you, at least for the first weeks, or at least until you make 5 to 10 sales organically without spending on ads. All the resources you need. You're gonna have our website builder, you already have it. So you can build a website, you can build your landing page, you can build your window to the world to make a sale. You're gonna have skills in organic selling through this course, through the Sell Anything course, the other course included in the program that you can also watch. So you can see all that. You're gonna have everything you need. Don't spend money, okay? Just test quicker, test without spending money. You only need to find one winning product to make a lot of money. So don't try to test a lot of products at once. Go one at a time, but try to test as fast as possible. This is very important. Third, the MVP mindset. It's pretty much the same thing. So minimum viable product. If you are in the course creator path or in the business owner path, this is for you. If you're not, this is not for you. You can quickly skip. But basically, if you're creating a course, a program, or if you have a business, or you're creating a business, or if you have a business idea, don't try to have the perfect business or the perfect coaching program or the perfect course right now. It's gonna be impossible. You need to have the minimum solution, the minimum viable solution that's gonna make your customers buy from you. Antonio, but wouldn't this decrease the quality of my product? At first, yes, but the thing is, you won't be able to have higher quality products at first either way, because you don't have feedback from the market. This program here is so good because we have received feedback to it from years and years and years of experience. And that's why we have been modulating this program for years and years and years of experience. At first, we didn't have this class. We didn't have the intro classes because people would just think, oh, intro is boring, mindset is boring, it's useless. Then we realized if we want this program to be really good and useful, we need to be telling you these things so you can remember them and make the right decisions when we're not by your side. The goal here is not that you're going to be dependent on us to do your coaching, to do your 24/7 support. This is going to happen at first, in the first months, but then in the next year or so, we're thinking long term. We won't be able to be with you forever. So this is the kind of mindset that is going to be the most useful, okay? So if you're a course creator or a business owner, create the minimum solution that solves the main problem that you want to solve. The main problem that you want to solve. For instance, when we started this program, I didn't have all of this because I didn't know it would be useful. So I was just teaching people how to sell through ads, through paid ads. So we had a Facebook ads course, we had a Google ads course. This was the minimum solution. If you know how to sell through ads, then you can make money. But it wasn't ideal, far from that, because many people didn't have the money to invest in ads. Many people wanted a more personalized approach. Many people wanted more support. Many people didn't have the mindset to spend on ads. So it was useless to just take that and try to be rich, basically. But then we refined it. We got a feedback. Then we put the mindset courses, we put the organic selling course, we put the support, we put the coaching, we put the live Q&A, etc., etc. Okay, so do this yourself. Then receive feedback from your market. This is very important. Talk to your customers. Even if you're an affiliate marketer, talk to your customers. Understand why they bought from you if they have already bought. Why they didn't buy from you if they haven't bought. This is very important. Ask for feedback constantly, constantly, constantly. This is how we built a 7-figure business at STANDOUT. We ask for feedback every single time. That's very important. Be humble in your approach. Have the minimum solution at first because you know you're going to be refining the solution forever thanks to the feedback of your customers. Of course, it does take work. If it didn't, everybody would be rich once again.
I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from STANDOUT.